Mavis, me going to call with son Clarence in a New York right now and tell him about the situation.
Daddy.
Clarence, me hate fi ruin your day, my son.
Daddy, what kind of bad news are you coming with now?
Me call fi tell you say, me and your mother are gonna get a divorce. After 40 years of marriage, that is enough misery in my life.
Daddy, what are you talking about?
We can't stand the sight of each other any longer. We sick of each other. I'm sick of talking about this. So, you can call your sister in London and tell her, say, me a go down at the courthouse tomorrow go file the divorce papers.
Hello? Clarence, what's up?
Gwen, Daddy just called me and told me that he and Mommy are getting a divorce. Gwen.
Them not getting a divorce. I will take care of this. Daddy, you and Mommy not getting a divorce.
But it's tomorrow me I go file the divorce papers. So the ass done gone through the gate already.
Don't do a single thing until I get there. I'm calling Clarence back and we'll both be there tomorrow. Until then, you don't do a darn thing. You hear me?
All right, Mavis. It all set now. The two of them coming to Jamaica for the independence. And them a go pay them own plane fare this time.
Rudolph Ezekiel Connoly, you old rascal, you. You make the scammer them look like them not try.
Come here, me honey. You know me love you till me Clyde. Come in at the bedroom for some action from the old stallion.